Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? Yes. In a previous classes, I'm telling you what some concepts only, demo classes. Up to that one enough. Today I'm starting a regular sessions. This type of coding is called PlSql coding. Now here some concepts I'm telling. Now directly we are starting at today onwards concepts only. Now observe it here. Main heading, notes also write it only Oracle 19C because some other fellows also attending. Already those persons one class is completed. That's why we are starting. Write it Oracle 19C. Today onwards, easily understandable. All persons first time newcomer without any knowledge, they are understandable. Oracle 19C. Write it some theory. Up to this one theory, write it. Then we are starting. Notes also write it up to some stage. Oracle is a relational database. Oracle is an relational database. Some relational means something is there. Oracle is a relational database which is used to store data. Already have an idea. Oracle is a relational database which is used to store data permanently in secondary storage devices. Permanently in secondary storage devices. If you want to operate Oracle, if you want to operate Oracle, then we are using following languages. Then we are using following languages. These are first one SQL, second one PlSql, third one dynamic SQL. Write it. First one SQL, second one PlSql, third one dynamic SQL. Okay, na? Slowly observe it here. Now onwards, up to this one you have an idea yesterday. Okay, na? Yeah. Now onwards observe it here. A regular class this one. Now here check it out. Anybody already 5 o'clock? Some fellows are attending. One class only. Wait. Okay, don't worry. Okay. Yes. Now observe it here. Concentrate here. Suppose, for example, I'm installing a Oracle software. After 1 or 2 days, you are also installing. After 1 or 2 days after, you are also installing. Don't worry. I will tell you. I'm installing a Oracle software. Screen observe, something is there. Here, SQL Plus is available. What is this SQL Plus? Anybody have an idea? Very good. One fellow is telling only, Murali sir, SQL Plus is a tool. Correct. Very good. SQL Plus is a tool. What is this one? This is called a client tool or query tool. How you are understandable this tool, this database, and okay, SQL language, these all the things means very easy. Suppose, for example, and now check it out, concentrate here, easily understandable diagrammatically. Suppose I'm installing a Oracle software, for example, in my system, you are also installing in a future. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically some place is created in a disk. This is called database. Here, I am a user, for example. I want to perform some operations in this database. Database means it is a place where we can store structured collection of data. Okay, fine. Suppose I want to store some data into where this database, Oracle database, for example. To store data into where this database. Otherwise, I want to fetch data from this database. Some purpose only. Fetch means retrieve data, retrieve data from this database. But unfortunately, I am also here also thinking, oh, maybe this user or this employee directly storing a data into database, directly retrieving a data from database. We are thinking, no, that is not possible. Why? Because this is a server. Here some client is required. That's why what they are telling about Oracle Corporation means whenever if any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, that user uses not a single step process, two-step process. That user uses two-step process. Very, very important. Client server article. What is that one? I will tell you. Don't write it. Just observe it here. That user uses not a single step process, two-step process. What the first step means? Step one is a what? A connect is a step only. First one is a connect is a step. In this connect step only, what is that connect step? Today we are learning only in this connect step. One tool we are using only. What is that one? SQL plus tool. That tool you are installing? No. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically this tool is created. I will tell you, this is default tool. Oh, maybe connect a step, something is there in that one. Example is SQL plus tool. Once you are connect to the where server, that user, or now you are using a tool, then step two is there. What is that step two means? Communication is a step only. Communication. Don't write it. Communication notes is there. Just observe it here. Communication. In this communication, example, they are learning, okay, they are using a languages. What is the languages? SQL is a language. PlSql is a language. Dynamic SQL is a language. Through that languages, they are operating a data in this database. That's why if any user, I am also, you are also, so wants to perform some operations in that Oracle database, compulsory that user uses two-step process. First, that users are connected to the where? Database by using a tool, example SQL plus tool. Again, some other tools also there. Today I will tell you. Again, once they are connecting means then only communication, that is a SQL language and PlSql language. These are examples. And now here, write it. This one all are writing. Yeah. This one up to yesterday, you have an idea. Write it next paragraph. Easily understandable. Write it. If any user, write it this notes only up to some stage. First time, write it. If any user wants to perform some operations, if any user wants to perform some operations on Oracle database, if any user wants to perform some operations on Oracle database, then that user uses following two-step process. Then that user uses following two-step process. These are step one, connect. These are step one, connect, write it, connect step. Example, SQL plus tool. Step one, SQL plus tool. Connect. Example, SQL plus tool. Step two, communication, write it. Example, SQL, PlSql languages. SQL, PlSql languages. SQL, PlSql languages. Okay. Yeah. And now observe it here. First, we are learning what this step means. Oh, maybe this SQL plus tool, Toad is a tool, SQL developer is a tool. These tools names easily understandable. First time newcomer also. Write it. Side heading. Step 1. Connect. Because some steps you have an idea, then only we are installing only. Okay, why? Because enterprise edition, express edition, some knowledge is required. Step 1. Connect. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. This connect step easily understandable by every person. I am not giving Oracle Corporation giving simple way. Now here check it out. Diagrammatically easily understandable. Suppose I'm installing a what? Oracle software. Don't write it. Just observe it. This diagram. I'm installing a Oracle software. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, same like a Java, same like a Python. Okay, some software is there. Oracle software I'm installing. Automatically some place is created that is called database, Oracle database. Here in this database, so many database objects are there. Tables in a future you are learning, same like a tables, views, procedures, functions, triggers, packages, so many things are there. Don't worry. These are called collection of database objects. Don't write it, just observe it. These objects we are learning in our course, collection of DB objects. Something is there, table format, we are storing the data, something. Now, observe it here, observe it here. Suppose here, I am a user, for example, I am an employee. What they're telling Oracle Corporation means, observe here, this employee wants to talk to this database, for example. If this user wants to talk to this database, means they want to perform some operations into where this database, then yes, he is using a what? Which language? Very good. SQL is a language. I am also here also thinking like this structured query language only we are using. We are thinking only, but unfortunately, this is wrong one. Wrong one. If any user also directly communicate with the what? Oracle database, impossible. First that user is there. Now, which user is there? That user is connect to the where? Okay, client tool. First users are connect to client tool. This is a database server. No, that's why client server attached. Client tool only or query tool. Then only through this tool only they are connect to the where? This server, this database server. Once they are connecting into this server by using a tool, then only they are using a SQL as a long base. Through that one, they are operating a what? Data in a database. That's why this is called client server architecture. This is a what? Database server, not a web server, database server only. That's why some client tool is required. This client tool explicitly we are installing, no, not required. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically one tool is created. One tool is created. Observe it here. Suppose I'm installing a Oracle software. In a future, you are also installing. Now here, automatically Oracle is there. No, here SQL plus tool is there. Observe here. This is a GUI tool. I'm not installing. Automatically I'm installing Oracle software means automatically this tool is created. This is SQL plus or SQL star plus is a client tool. Through this tool only some usernames, passwords are there. Suppose my name is Murali. Now here, okay, you are creating users and all these things I will tell you. Then that user is connected to this database. Oh, maybe some database is there or not. What is database later? What first up? Then only they are operating a data in a database by using a what? Some SQL is a long ways. Then possible or not? Yes, possible like this. Now here, that's why always observe it here. If any user wants to perform operations in a where Oracle database means first that users are connect to the client tool. Through that client tool, through they are connect to the where Oracle server, internally server is there. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Very, very important. Suppose I am drawing a diagram first because not only SQL plus tool, some other tools are there that is explicit tools. In a company side, those tools they are loading only. That is also better to know, at least a terminology. Oracle Corporation giving a simple diagram through that one, everyone understandable. 5 minutes concentrate. Don't write it anything. 5 minutes concentrate. Suppose 5 minutes only. Now check it out. Terminology I want. I'm installing a Oracle software. Slowly observe it here. Here diagram, Oracle Corporation giving net easy. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, automatically some place is created. This is called Oracle database. Database is a place, okay, where we can store structured collection of data. Here, so many database objects are available. So many database objects means tables, views, synonyms, indexes, sequences, procedures, functions, triggers, packages. You are learning in a future. Not only Oracle, in a relational database also like that. Now here, these are called collection of database objects. Don't write it, just observe here. Collection of database objects. Same like a previous case, but slight difference. Now observe here. Terminology I want. Here, observe here what they are telling. First, users are there. Okay, na? User. These users are first connect to the where tools. These are called client tools or query tools. These are called client tools or query tools. Client tools. Once the users are username, password, something is there, through that one they are opening a client tool. Through that one, the client tool only connect to the where server. Once they are connect to the where server, then only they are communicate with the data. This data in a where database means by using SQL is a language they are using. That is the next step only. SQL means same like a English type language only. There is non-procedure language. There is structured query language. This is also called as structured query language. What is the purpose of this language means? Through this language only they are operating a data in a where. Okay, so database or not? Yes, language, for example. SQL language. Now, but unfortunately, why I'm drawing this diagram is here. What is the purpose of SQL language? Here to store the data, we are modifying the data, we are retrieving data. So many commands are there. But what are the example of client tools? Client tool example means, so now here examples of client tools, observe it here. These examples I want, this terminology I want only. First time newcomer, non-technical persons are there. No? What are the examples of the where client tools means? Simple. Actually, first one, SQL plus tool. This SQL plus tool or SQL star plus is a default tool. You are not required to load this tool. This is a command line interface. Today I'm showing only, don't worry. Now here I will tell you. Now here, this is a default tool. Default. This is a default tool. This is a default tool. Again, other than this SQL plus tool, suppose here in a company side, so many company side, in a real-time project side, okay, not only this SQL plus tool, but explicitly they are installing a what tools. Same like a Windows is there, no? Same like a Windows. Okay, so now that is not a command line interface. Yes, Windows only is text boxes. Okay, so now some window is there, command prompt only. In that output window is there. Like this only, same like a GUI, graphical user interface tools are there. That is maybe explicitly they are installing. Why? Because better debugging side. I will show you those tools also. Those tools, anybody having idea? Very good. Toad is a tool is there. That is a popular tool. Toad tool is available in a where SQL server side also available nowadays. From the first software, they are creating only one explicit tool. That is a Toad tool for Oracle, Toad tool for so now here SQL server, like that only there. Again, not only though tool to tool, some companies are using a what explicit tool only. SQL developer or PlSql developer is a tool is there. This is a popular tool. SQL developer nowadays, so many students also installing a what explicitly. Their experienced person maybe they are fastly okay debugging and also query practicing in a way SQL developer or PlSql developer tools. That is the best way. Again, not only that one, SQL Navigator is a tool is there. SQL Navigator is a tool. These are GUI tools. because SQL Plus is a command line interface. But these three are okay. PlSql developer also there. I'm not writing. Now here observe here. Yes, these three tools are also called as GUI tools. Or maybe these are automatically not installed. Explicitly, we are installing only. You are interested. Why? Because these tools are designed created by some different companies. That's why this is GUI, graphical user interface. GUI means graphical user interface. GUI tools, these tools are also called as GUI tools, except SQL Plus. Okay, understood this one? Okay, yes, here. Now check it out. This client tool names awareness purpose, Oracle Corporation, giving a what like this only. And now here, check it out. Here I am giving a what example. 1 minute, observe it here. This one, okay. Now here, anybody interested to view that tools means in a Google, you have to type it that GUI tools names means automatically visible. Later you are downloading. Very good. Putty is there. That is not a client tool. That is different. Now here, that is also so many companies using, but I am not telling up to now. Here, observe it here. Toad tool for Oracle. SQL Server also this will be there. You observe it here. SQL Server also there. Oracle also there. These are tools. Observe it here. These are tool is there. No Toad tool. This is a so now here. Suppose GUI here. Graphical user interface is there. Here Toad tool for Oracle. Observe it here. These are tools. Okay, so now diagram is there. Yeah. So now Toad tool for Oracle. These are GUI tools. Here, this is a what? Here something is there, graphical user interface. One of the stage you are good. That's why always client tool means SQL Plus tool only default tool. Remaining tools are maybe explicitly you are interested to download means download it. But companies also using a what? Companies explicitly tools they are using. But outside means automatic tool is what? SQL Plus. You are interested to explicitly download those tools also download, not a problem. But first time in its default tool, after okay, so now some classes you are attending after 20 or 15 classes you are attending, means you are also installing explicit tools you want. Okay. Write it. Step one, connect, write it. Step one, connect, write, connect step. Easy, no? Yeah, tools. Maybe some fellows having idea. Write it. Step one, connect. Anybody lately connected means two-step process I'm telling. Write it. Step one, connect. Write it this theory, write it. If any user, easy, if any user wants to perform, if any user wants to perform if any user wants to perform, if any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, if any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, then those users first connect to Oracle database. Then those users first connect to Oracle database by using client tool. By using client tool. By using client tool. Next para. Whenever we are installing, in a future you are installing Oracle software. No? Yeah. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically, whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically SQL Plus tool is created. Automatic this one. Only this tool only. Okay, yeah. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically SQL Plus tool is created. That's why SQL Plus is a default tool. 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 Okay, na? You are a first time newcomer means better to draw this diagram. Oracle Corporation giving this diagram. Yeah. This one, draw this one. Some tool names awareness purpose. Okay. Yeah. Draw this diagram. Users are client tools are available. Through these tools, they are connected to the server. Once connected means SQL long ways through, they are operating data in a this one collection of database objects. Draw this small diagram very easy. Complete very easy. Just some names awareness purpose. Tools names awareness purpose. GUI is graphical user interface tools. Graphical user interface means GUI tools. Okay, yeah. These three: Toad, SQL Developer, SQL Navigator. SQL plus tool, not a GUI. This command line interface. This is a default tool within the bracket. Completed this one. Okay, na? Hello. Completed fast. Just names awareness purpose they are giving, I think. Okay, yeah. First time non-technical person purpose. And now first you are a good professional means daily I am also okay, you are also so many times. So now here, yes, we are connect to the where server by using this command line interface tool. This is SQL plus tool. Some problems are there, environment settings also I will tell you. Okay, don't worry. And now here, observe it here. That SQL plus tool, some theory Oracle Corporation giving, write it. Example, SQL plus tool, write it. Example, write it. Default tool we are learning. SQL plus tool. GUI means graphical user interface. No? Same like a Windows. Okay, na? But in our SQL plus tool, same like a command line interface. Black screen is there like that. But I'm changing the water colors and all these things later. How we are changing, I will tell you. So for example, I'm changing the colors also. Okay, not a GUI, colors I'm changing. Okay, later I will tell you when once installing me, so how can I change the colors and all these things. Just interesting purpose. Anybody also wants to change? All right. SQL plus tool example. SQL plus is an interactive query tool. Same theory they are giving. This is a Oracle Corporation theory. SQL plus is an interactive query tool installed automatically. SQL plus is an interactive query tool installed automatically when you install Oracle software. SQL plus is an interactive query tool installed automatically when you install Oracle software. All ready? Yeah. SQL plus has a command line interface. Command line, same like a DOS prompt is there. No? Yeah. SQL plus has a command line interface that allows SQL plus has a command line interface that allows users to connect to Oracle database server, that allows users to connect to Oracle database server and execute statements interactively. And executes statements interactively. And executes statements interactively. Okay, now. And now slowly observe here. Actually, some fellows are telling only, Murali sir, I'm already my system, my friend is installing, otherwise my colleagues are installing a what Oracle 11G is there, 10G is there, not a problem. Yes, not a problem. Why? Because here, observe it here. So many versions are there. Oracle versions are there. Okay. Oracle 1978 onwards versions are there. Don't worry. In the future, we are learning. That's the first version is 1978. There is never released, but 2.0 onwards, 1979 onwards, they are releasing a versions only 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 6.0, 7.0, 1992 side only, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.0, okay, 9, 10G, maybe 10G name you have an idea. I think you are a first time newcomer also. Oracle 10G software is there. 2005 is there releasing. Oracle Corporation. 11G also there. PlSql also there. 2013 onwards. Okay, like this only so many versions are there. But whenever you are installing a Oracle software, nowadays 18C, 19C, 21C means there is no problem. Latest softwares. I am also installing Oracle 19C. Next I will tell you how you are installing all. There is no problem in the sense how you are opening SQL plus tool navigation is there in a Windows. Start, don't write it, observe it here. 1 minute, observe it here. Here where the Oracle is available, we are installing a Oracle means automatically folder is created. Don't worry. Where the Oracle is available, 1 minute only. Yes, Oracle is available. Here click this one Oracle ORA DB home, it will display. No, once we are selecting that one, automatically SQL plus is there. No, that we are opening. Simple. This is the way. This is a 19C side. Okay, 19C software, 18C software, 21C software side direct. Then only we are interacting. But unfortunately, in a olden days, what the problem is 10G anybody installing, 11G installing means Oracle start. Oracle is there here. Observe here. Oracle is there. And now here application development is another tab is there here. Olden days. Maybe anybody already installing a 11G, 10G means don't afraid only. How you are opening SQL plus tool means here after home edition, application development is a tab is there actually. Olden days, maybe some fellows having a so no, that software only, that one development is a tab is there. Yes, once application development tab you are clicking means then only SQL plus is displayed. Okay, Windows side. Okay, yeah, here. That's why I don't afraid only I am clicking about Oracle ORA DB home edition. but it is not displayed. SQL plus means don't apply. Here application development, another tab is there. Within that tab, SQL plus tool is available in a olden days. That navigation I am writing. Why? Because first time newcomer, no, maybe you are installing a olden days editions also, you never facing a problem. That's why observe here, Oracle 19C means start Windows side program. So Oracle DB home 1 is there, SQL plus is there. But 10G, 11G, 12C, olden days means here actually navigation SQL plus tool navigation means here application development is extra tab is there. No, we are clicking this tab means SQL plus display. That slight difference only. Maybe anybody installing a olden days, otherwise installing a what nowadays. I am telling a 19C, 21C, these type of things. But anybody loading a what these type of olden days software also don't afraid only. Write it. Navigation, write it. SQL plus tool side navigation. In a Windows side, very easy. Command line prompt to I'm not connecting. Windows side, I'm telling easiness purpose. Write it. Oracle 19C software. Start. Programs. Oracle -ORADB 19 home. It will display, but I am removing only ORADB 9 home 1. SQL plus. Okay, na? Both the things write it. This navigation also write it. Olden days 9A, 10G, 11G, 12C versions are this one. Application development. SQL plus. Okay, na? Yes, up to this one is enough today. Tomorrow I will tell you that enterprise edition, express edition, something is there, that knowledge environment settings, you have an idea, then installation I will tell you. Okay, na? Yeah. Tomorrow I will tell you. Remember. Thank you. First time this much of knowledge is enough. Maybe old students also attending, those persons are up to this one, you have an idea. Yeah. Tomorrow will continue. Thank you. Slowly, easily understandable, nothing. You are also installing that piece. Windows side, no easy. Okay, na? Tomorrow will continue. Thank you.